but through your words, my Lord, I live on. Out in the fields, trees are all I see, and at night the stars are my company. Why don't you send down a ray of light? Send it down out of me. Oh, and never, ever forsake me. Lord's my shepherd, I shall not walk. He led me beside them still waters, and He blessed my soul. I can hear angels softly singing. They are calling me home. They call me nearer, nearer, nearer. Oh, I say they're calling me, they want me to come on home.